My name is Chloe Bird, and simple sentences and captions are easier to read. Simple sentences are a grammatical concept that we use every day when speaking and writing in English, but we never think about it too much as they are short, sweet, and do not require much thought. Dr. Richard Norquist, a professor of rhetoric and English at Georgia Southern University, says that simple sentences are the basic building block of language, and that most are short but do not always have to be. In my own research, examining why simple sentences are effective in captions, I found that using simple sentences and captions can make for the caption to be easier to read. To get the basics down, a corpus is a collection of written texts, especially works by a particular author or body of writing, on a particular subject. A corpus analysis, according to the Encyclopedia of Mobile Phone Behavior, a corpus analysis is the act of collecting language samples with a goal of identifying parts of grammar or language. A simple sentence is an independent clause with a subject-verb pair. Simple sentences are generally easy to understand. They typically make points clear and communicate easily. I researched the effectiveness of simple sentences and captions in a corpus. When searching for a corpus, I knew I wanted to challenge myself and find a bunch of different sentences from a wide variety of articles from the same publication. My corpus is a collection of captions from sport images, all from the same publication, the New York Times. Although they are from numerous articles, they are all from the same publication, which means that they have the same format that created my corpus. A few sport images with captions within my corpus include softball, football, baseball, hockey, running, and many other sports. All of the images are taken by many different photographers and journalists. A caption is defined as a brief explanation, which makes sense why many of the captions that I found use simple sentences. Looking at the image on the left, we see a short caption with 5 words in it. That is a simple sentence caption. That is short and gives a brief explanation of the image without going into too many details. As for the image on the right, we see a much longer sentence, and we see the adjective clause. It's much wordier, and yes, the caption does eventually get to the point, but it makes it a little bit more complicated for the reader than it needs to be. Using a simple sentence in captions shows a complete thought, but keeps the captions brief and clear for the reader. Out of the 52 captions I found, 38 of the captions are simple sentences. 6 were adjective clauses, 3 were adverbial clauses, 4 were compound sentences, and 1 was a complex sentence. The captions I found are not from one set photographer or photojournalist. It is a group of many different photographers and journalists that all work for the New York Times. Just from my corpus, we see the effects simple sentences within captions, as 73% of the captions include a simple sentence just within my corpus. So we can only imagine all the other captions on all the other publications, what percentage of captions use simple sentences. Simple sentences make captions much easier to read. An article on Kent State University's Writers' Tool page states that you should use a simple sentence when you wish to express a single thought, to create emphasis and to avoid being too wordy and saying too much in a single sentence may confuse your reader. Sue Horner, a freelance writer, says how ideally the photo captures attention, then the caption adds meaning and leads the reader to the story for more details, and to try to keep the caption short. According to John Smock, the director of photography at CUNY Graduate School of Journalism and freelance photographer, says that captions should be brief and should provide the reader with basic information. John Smock also states how clarity, accuracy, and completeness in caption writing should be as high or higher than any other writing that appears in a publication. A poorly written caption that is uninformative, or worse, misleading, can diminish the impact of a good photo and undermine its credibility as journalism. Captions should be short, but why are simple sentences effective in captions? Simple sentences are meant to be short and have a subject-verb pair to get straight to the point. They are not complicated to come up with or understand, hence the name simple sentence. Captions are meant to be short and get straight to the point, which is why simple sentences are so effective in captions. Simple sentences make captions easy to read and understand. We noticed in the previous 3 slides that those captions were all simple sentences which gave a brief description of the image and were not too wordy. Simple sentences are overall much easier to understand within captions than any other type of sentence that may be used. Next time you look at captions within any type of article, be sure to keep track of how short or long the sentence is, and which is easier to read and gravitates your attention more. As most readers will gravitate towards images in articles, especially sports, captions need to be informative, captivating, and accurate while not over-informing the reader. Keeping the caption short and sweet in a simple sentence form can allow the reader to get the basic information they need about the image while still being engaged in the articles they may be reading. Short, sweet, and to the point is the way to go when captioning an image. But don't just take my word for it, as there are many knowledgeable photographers and writers that I have found within my research.